Welcome students. Today we are going to learn English subject. Here we will learn lesson number 36, a farewell to the teacher. Now, farewell means a short program to say goodbye to your teacher. At the end of the year, most of students arrange this short program. Okay. In this lesson also, some students arrange this program for their teacher. Okay. Now we will see what is in this lesson. So it's your page, textbook page number 87, lesson number 36, a farewell to the teacher. Okay. Now I will read this lesson one by one paragraph. Now here Yogita said something. Okay. So I will read this paragraph. Yogita. Our respected teacher, Mrs. Shastri, and all my friends belonging to class 4th B. As you know, well, we have arranged this short function today to say goodbye to our favorite teacher. First of all, I request Madhu to say a few words about her. Now in this paragraph, here is a one student. Her name is Yogita. And Yogita arranged a short function to say goodbye to her teacher with her friends. Okay, she arranged this program with her friend, and they want to say goodbye to their favorite teacher, Mrs. Shastri. Okay, and here Yogita requests to the Madhu to say few words about their teacher, Mrs. Shastri. Next paragraph. Madhu said, our favorite teacher, Mrs. Shastri and friends. I am really going to limit my speech to a few words. Now, limit. Limit means to keep something at or below a particular amount or a number. Okay, so this is limit. So 4 years ago, I never dreamed that I would be able to make a speech in English. It is only because of Mrs. Shastri that I am able to do so today. She is a great teacher and we have enjoyed every minute of her classes. Next year she will not be with us because we are all going to a new class. But we will always remember her, and I am sure she will be kind enough to remember us too. She has said that we can go and see her at her home whenever we feel like, but we will miss her next year. Now, here is Madhu, student of Mrs. Shastri. Okay, she said that he never dreamed that he can speech in English. He can make a speech in English, or he can write some sentences in English. But she said that it's only possible because of Mrs. Shastri, who is teach her for from 4 years. Okay, Mrs. Shastri teaches them for from 4 years. So Madhu said that I'm able to speak English or write English because of Mrs. Shastri. Okay, and she again said that here is a limit to say some words about Mrs. Shastri. Okay, and then she said that she is a great teacher and we have enjoyed every minute of her classes. Means Mrs. Shastri is a very favorite teacher of those students. Means all students like Mrs. Shastri. Okay, and they all enjoyed their classes, every minute of her classes. So next year she will not be with us. Madhu said that next year she will be not with us. मतलब next year वो हमारे साथ तो नहीं रहेंगे. Because we all are going to a new class, means 5th class. Okay, so we always remember her. वो हमें हमेशा याद रहेंगे. एंड आई होप आई एम श्योर शी विल बी काइंड इनफ टू रिमेंबर अस टू. और वो भी हमें याद रखेंगे. ओके. शी हैज सेड दैट वी कैन गो एंड सी हर एट हर होम. मीन्स here is a more attachment to the student and teacher. Mrs. Shastri allowed them to come at home. Okay. Whenever we feel like, जब भी उन्हें लगता है तो वो टीचर के घर जा सकते हैं. बट वी विल मिस हर नेक्स्ट ईयर. ओके. मीन्स जब वो 5th में जाएंगी तो उन्हें मिस करेंगे. नाउ योगिता अगेन. योगिता सेड, as a token of our love and respect, Shubha will offer her a bouquet of flower and a gift. Now here word token. What is token? Token means something that is a mark or expression of a feeling, an event. Okay, so this is a mark or a expression of a feeling. Okay, now here Yogita said that as a token of our love and respect, Shubha will offer her a bouquet of flowers and a gift. Madam, we have prepared the bouquet and the gift ourselves. It may not look too good, but we know you will understand our feelings. May I request you now, madam, to say a few words. Here, Yogita and her friends prepare a bouquet for Mrs. Shastri, their teacher, and they give her as a token of love and respect. And Yogita requests to Shubha, her friend Shubha, to offer her offer the bouquet of flowers and a gift to the Mrs. Shastri. Okay, and he said that this bouquet is prepared by us, so it's not too good, but we know that you will understand our feelings. मतलब जो हमने बुके बनाया वो इतना तो अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन आप हमारे फीलिंग्स समझ लोगे, ऐसे योगिता ने कहा है. देन मे आई रिक्वेस्ट यू नाउ, मैडम, टू से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स. नाउ हियर योगिता डू रिक्वेस्ट टू मिसेस शास्त्री to say a few words. Here is a program of to say goodbye their teacher. So they want to request their teacher to say a few words. Now here Mrs. Shastri. Okay. So girls and boys, Mrs. Shastri said, girls and boys, I am really overwhelmed. I am sorry to part with you. Word overwhelmed. What is overwhelmed? Cause to feel sudden or strong emotions. Now here Mrs. Shastri has strong emotions. I am sorry to part with you, of course, but I am really proud of you. Mrs. Shastri said that I am really proud of you. You have given me the best reward a teacher can ask for. The confidence with which you conducted this program was really amazing. Now here Mrs. Shastri like it, and she think that how the student can arrange this program or conduct this program, and she surprised. She liked that the students really do this program nicely. Okay, so she said that you conducted this program was really amazing. Okay, so you have done equally well in all the other activities throughout the year. I am sure you all have a bright future. Mrs. Shastri said that I am sure you all have a bright future. Means these all students are very bright. So the Mrs. Shastri said that you will all have bright future. Okay, I wish you all the very best in life. Now here at the last, Mrs. Shastri said that best of luck for their remaining life. Okay, and all class said thank you to the Mrs. Shastri. Okay, so this is a lesson about farewell, a short function to say goodbye to their teacher. Okay, So today we have learned the importance of teacher in our life. The teacher always tries to give best to his or her student, and teacher always wishes that his or her students will have bright future. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson. Now your homework is prepare a short farewell speech for your class teacher. Thank you. Bye.